What if the reason you feel stuck financially isn't income, but lack of direction? Most people get this wrong. But here's why Pathway Financial is still relevant in 2026. Pathway Financial focuses on structured financial progress. Instead of offering random tools, it creates a clear pathway from where you are now to where you want to be. When you sign up, you answer simple questions about income, debt, savings, and goals. From there, Pathway builds a step-by-step financial roadmap. One of its most useful features is priority sequencing. It tells you what to focus on first and why. For example, it may recommend building a small emergency buffer before aggressively paying debt. You won't believe how many people reverse this order and struggle unnecessarily. Pathway also tracks progress visually. You can see milestones completed and upcoming steps, which keeps motivation high. The surprising truth about Pathway is that progress feels achievable because it's broken into realistic actions. Another strength is scenario testing. You can adjust variables like income increases or expense cuts and instantly see how your timeline changes. This helps users make smarter decisions without guessing. However, Pathway Financial does not replace banking or investing platforms. It guides decisions, but doesn't execute them. Some users may prefer more automation. Is Pathway Financial still worth it in 2026? If you want structure, clarity, and a clear sense of direction, yes. It's especially helpful for people rebuilding finances or planning long-term stability. Subscribe for more clear, no-fluff financial reviews.